Okay, so this is 6 weeks after the lumbar fusion surgery. This is the lumbar fusion, pedicle screws, 2 rods and a cage. Right, okay, so first of all, in terms of your posture, how do you feel?
I feel much more upright.
Straight?
Yeah.
Yeah. And can I see you bending sideways? Good. Now, I know it's tight, but see how much you can bend down? That's good. Excellent.
Not very stretchy anymore.
Yeah, brilliant. Any pain down your legs?
No shooting pain.
No shooting pain?
No, but the target was the back. I just got a
Little bit.
in my head, but it feels
Little bit
soft.
tight there. Yeah, because that's the side. But all in all, recovery's been all right.
Yeah.
You had some pain initially for the week or so.
The first 2 weeks, week and a half, but then after that,
It's just got better and better. Let me see you walking. Yeah, good. Fantastic. And then the other way. That's great. Well done. Good man. Excellent.